Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and I started stamping my background with these cute egg images from the Bunnies in Bloom collection, and this stamp set is from Bloom with Joy, and it's the new Bunnies in Bloom collection from Not Too Shabby Shop. And I thought, well, I'm just gonna start filming from here, even though I just got started, but usually I start my intro a little bit different. But I was already stamping on white cardstock, and I chose to stamp all over this rectangle piece of cardstock. It's just a scrap. I'm not sure what size it is, and I'm just turning my eggs around and just trying to make my own pattern paper. And I'm not even going to color these eggs. It's just going to be a fun black and white background. And this is, I'm sure you've seen lots of inspiration from the Bunnies in Bloom collection. That's a new release from the Not Too Shabby Shop. And I am just having so much fun with this collection. So here's what I did. I cut some pattern paper from the new 6x6 Bunnies in Bloom paper pad. And then I cut another piece of, or actually I cut another piece of pattern paper. And then I stamped the two bunnies holding the Easter egg and colored that in and fussy cut them out. So now I'm just going to put my card together. So it's a really quick video, but I just wanted you to see how cute it is. And that it was super easy. I did stamp my sentiment also, Hello Spring. I put the carrot and the butterfly on the ends, and those are little images in the stamp set that is Bloom with Joy. And I will have everything listed down below, and I just hope you grab this collection because it's really cute. There's also another collection, I'm not sure if you've seen it, and so there are two collections, two new releases right now at Not Too Shabby Shop. We also have our February, and I'm showing you I stitched on the pattern paper here with my sewing machine. Just a quick stitch across to connect my egg background and my pattern paper. So fun. I've been having fun just using my sewing machine. But I wanted you to know there's two collections, so check out the Not Too Shabby Shop. Also, we have our February subscriptions that you don't want to miss out on as well. So much fun and cuteness for February. I love it. So I'm just going to glue my bunnies on. There's some foam tape in the back of them, and I colored them in with my Copics and I think Altenew markers. And I'm just going to add my sentiment that also is going to have foam tape. So really easy card. My pattern gingham paper there is a 4 by 5 1/4. And then I just have these two scrap pieces of paper, or that the white cardstock, and then the pattern paper that I just cut out. So lastly, I'm just adding my enamel dots, and that finishes this card. Isn't it cute? I'm also adding an egg ephemera, which is so cute, from the Bunnies in Bloom ephemera that also comes in this kit. So see how cute and easy this card came together. I just love those two bunnies. They're really, really sweet, and I can't get enough of this collection. So I will have my other videos. You can see my other two videos on this collection as well. And just lastly, adding my last enamel dots, and these are from the Bunny Blush. And then I will share a close-up. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day, and I will share that close-up. And I have one more to do. So I added three, I added three, and then here we go. Here is my close-up. So I will be back soon with another card tutorial. Have a wonderful day.